Party's going all night long. Just meet me at the party, singer. You can bring shorty. Cause we be rolling in the hardy, yes, because our party's going on like party's going on over next door. And I've got to go, and then me sing. Well, my party people in the house, are you ready for this? Girl, shake your body, cause you're ready for this. Well, just move that booty, cause you're ready for this. Boom, bam, bam.
Big true.
You can meet me at the party.
I am here vibing with one of the big voice singers in dancehall music. His parents named him David Thomas, but we know him as
Stutter, that's your brother from another mother. Eggnog, original golden egg, you know. Manners and respect each.
Art of Love, man.
You see me, I say?
All is well, sir?
Yeah, man, greatest thing, man, life, you know. Up
Yeah.
and running, live till them son him.
You know, you have a look at Merciless.
Yeah, everywhere me go, them tell me, I ask me if me a merciless, my brother.
Yeah, man. Have a look at a Bartley, man.
Don't you know I know? Merciless, why do you have to go? Hey, let me from the metro. I'm sitting by the open dancehall floor in my favorite Clark's boutique. When I hear some songs of memories, sounds so good to me. But as I get up and take a look around, Merciless feet got in the way. Stumble and fall, he was right at the floor. Metro, we no see with DJ face. But how could this be? Merciless gone away from we. The singer just gone and leave us all alone. We really miss you. I see you. Pull up that.
Reach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Talk to us, though. Early life, place of birth.
I
mean,
say
you know,
Kingston
tech.
Public, or Jubilee.
Oh. Jubilee.
Hospital.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And you grew up where?
10, 11, 12, and 13.
Sure, 3 mile area, 2 mile area.
Yeah, Waltham, 2 Mile, Maxfield, Payne Avenue, all of them from 10, 11, 12, and 13. And my place
Your
them
place
there.
them
Run up
there.
and down all about, you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
How many brothers and sisters the man have?
Wow. 3 sisters and 2 brother.
And all of them still around?
Yeah, man, everyone up and running.
It's a
man.
blessing, that man.
Give praises, you
The
know?
old man and old lady still around.
Mama drop out, Papa drop before Mama.
Oh, my condolences, man. My
Well, man, I tell you still, Mama should have seen her pick me and now we.
Yeah.
Although she there with me still up and down and around me. Give praises. you know?
Yes. Where you attended school?
St. Peter Clever, move on to Selassie.
Oh, yeah, Selassie.
Yeah, man.
What was it like growing up then, though, in the 2 mile area, financially speaking, back then?
Nothing, you know.
Nothing.
Nothing. Mama come up off of nothing. You see me I say, we have to start beat Asham. Mama start bake toto. You see me, I'm pudding and them thing there. We start put outside for sell and them thing there. You see me? You have to hold off the peanut pan at night time. Right over Army bar there, so. You know, so me have to sell more time. Drop asleep would have kill me. Clive and wash them teeth out, 2 eye peanut them when them ready and laugh a morning when them sing. But I just so star. Me born at the hustling act. Me born a sell. From in a Bessie belly me a sell car. Is that woman where ever up and running. Tanti, my grandmother worse. Always mango basket always. Now me come see mango basket and them thing the line out.
Real hustle settings.
Yeah man, cause me then near to the market too, you know. Cause enough people never know say market start from 3 mile go to town, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Them time when me a little boy, you know. Yeah, everywhere me go you see a market basket, man. Mango, jackfruit, cane, all about line up going to town.
Yeah. What was it like, read the violence in Painland and them places back then, though?
Yeah, but you know me there around it, you know. And true, me grew up in it and them thing there. Crazy little drawn out thing going.
Oh, okay.
I used to take on the road with the man, them used to enough little differences. No heap of something used to go on with them time there. But you used to trade around the man, them and you grow up, you get to overstand and know the fullness of certain difference. So that's why I'm good all still there here and even now.
We give thanks to that, man.
And the music is a one to where we come draw
dry
me
out, I
away
think.
from it. Yeah, because from the start sing, we plan for love certain things.
So speak to me about the music though. How you actually got involved in the music. When the musical vibration start hit.
You know, so I sing all of them time around the man them. You draw 2 notes and the man them drop down and them a look good for me and I say, what a boy you bad? And thing but yeah me bowl out them a go on. With the outer arm. My boy, you know, yellow man them always out a Little John, they out of Mackay Lane, so you know, so there's something I always normally go see Little John them and yellow man. Couple man well and them thing there. Yeah, me bowl as a little youth where we live on the road now and we and him dead and I said, John, what a youth him can sing, you know. Billy Boy, yo, and couple man Ty and them couple man because me there in the surrounding of them. But a way up. I never check so I could have take it on.
Oh, you never, oh, okay.
But you know the voice, did it?
Yeah, man.
And a little note go on good, but all of them time there.
So when you go Mackay Lane, you actually used to hold the mic for romantic?
No.
You just go pre the thing?
We just walk and I go along a tough gang, I go see all Bob them time when I little youth, you know. Yeah, but it in me and through the era where me there. Me dey round and I look and I see. Never start sing yet them time there. Never start sing yet, brethren, honest.
So when the man decides that you are going, that's something in me, you know, so I want to put out some mic.
Alright now, them time you know, we have a little sound in our place named Agony.
Agony.
Named Ribbit.
Ribbit, yeah, me hear that name there before.
A little brother, a big man, a counter-stand we call him, but a Ribbit. We have Natty Time, we have Vicious, them man there, Choco. You have a couple man who hear my melody and hear how me sound and I say, yo, Bessie boy, you bad. Them time they didn't even know what them talk about. And them start and me take on a couple little ring a rosy, little rare and some little thing to try.
Get the voice
Just
together.
drop down, man. All one time I like graduate from school, we keep all my own little show.
Yeah.
Me and Vanda them and couple of the girl them and couple of my brethren them were in a class and say, boy, we keep that little show here for ourselves. And in that time, the boy, I tell you, God know, but you say God him great. And think in me and live on till me start come now, go to studio, record factory for Spider. Because you don't know from me take on Ribbit sound and me start sing. Place a ball from them, a ball forward and them things. So I say, yo, take on the road. The first song when I really voice still, you know, Tony Tough them.
Mr. Wannabe, 1989.
Yeah, the first song. See, and then you have Wayne Lonesome did come voice me again, you know.
Which song that?
She was only 13, you know, them time that I come from prison. I come from prison them time that I show you say, I leave certain things and the music I take me in.
Yes, but how you end up running that part there? Prison
Yeah,
part.
me end up go to prison, you know. Them charge me wrongfully. And by the time them for say I wrongfully, them charge me get up to the court. I say, yo, no do and make me get for go on me yard or send me around. And people them look good for me and say, but what a boy you do? Wanna give him some month, you know, him too feisty, you know. I suck on me end up, go to prison, you know. 9 months me get, you know. Them time, you know, when I come back, I say, yo, low certain things that not get no good, rare and them things there. Boom! Take on the road now. Quenshade was the youth where I admire them time that when I come up as a youth and I said, you know, Quenshade can sing, you know. You see me? Them time them and Bounty Killer I do all a big song and mash up the place and I say, yeah. He's a youth, him never leave me nowhere. Never. Every country where Quenshade I go them time there. Him normally carry me. Every bar where we see all some pretty bar we stop. Quenshade come out, him have a drink with me. And Quenshade now is a youth now. Every country and somewhere Quenshade I go Quenshade carry me.
Oh, yeah, and Quenshade did that do road?
Me nah do no road and them and carry me. You might tell us me don't even know what I go on, but you know so me can't sing.
Right.
You don't know. Tia Moore was the song where me always have.
So your voice stay more from early then?
Yeah, me voice Tia Moore. But Tia Moore now, when me and Andrew Wright, them CM Jonjo with Little Marky and Andrew Wright, we have Kid Flash. So Kid Flash, Andrew, Little Marky, and me. Seeing them end up kill and Little Marky. Andrew gone foreign. Kid Flash gone foreign. Me alone left. So all of them songs that were me and them used to perform, me have to start take on the place them with the song them when me and them used to perform.
Oh, okay.
So
See pre.
Tia Moore wasn't my song. It was Tita told me I sing after Andrew Wright sing Tia Moore. Me not have nothing to sing. So me have to sing Tita to. So Tita to was the melody after Tia Moore. But when me drop Tita to, it come like Tia Moore didn't exist. Cause when me say Tita to, wake knock, just put them all in a row. Donkey want water, you hold him drop. You know, so them time there, the whole place I drop down. Remember I said the man sang me across straight, you know.
Yeah.
So all of them time you know me I get for know say, yo, you know say you can't build song out of song. You can't take Ray from song, so from them time you know. So there. Boom. Take on the road now, you don't know Spider, Record Factory, Arrows. I walk go Arrows the first day when I do a dub, you know. Just for hear myself play back on agony them sound, you know. Walk from 2 mile, go out of east where Arrows studio there, barefoot, come through Crossroad, come through Ray, go down Ray and go cross and reach out of Arrows. The first time I got voice a dub, for hear about myself on a big sound and an agony. And you know, so the sound, them end up kill the sound where them a challenge the clash.
Yeah.
And end up come be the community sound. I mean, I say, what you know, Egnog, and you involved in that, you better start beat people now, you know. Go take up the whip, man. So Tia Moore and all of them song there, I start. Any little song when me get me sound and play and them thing there. Boom! Record Factory a mash down. We not see Spider again. Everything I left I go up to Jaro way, you know, I go up to Stone Love way. Me alone and God they down here. Quench it still come link me see me and Ray, boom. Me never really do and go up and thing and Ray, but you don't know what happened. Q45 go come from where I come from and say a meme come for see.
Yeah.
See? Remember me do Tia Moore enough song, me not hear nothing come out of it, you know.
Yeah, cause was Mr. Wannabe released?
Mr. Wannabe never released. It was Uncle Wayne him there, where Wayne Lonesome. She was only 13.
Okay.
Yeah. See? I mean, I say, what you know? Q come and say, how are you, you know? Come here, say, yeah, go on good, you know. I say, I'm telling them English. Up and down, quarter bread
So
in my back pocket.
So that link they make from early then too?
Yeah, because Walter English there, you know.
Okay.
Him used to go do film, look thing them differently. Me used to go to, but when me and him buck up the place now, good. Seeing so, start build a crew now and Q and Ray and everything. So when Q come here, I say, Q, the youth when him English, you know, say I have to go attack him because he might go on good too, you know. See, you know, me and Q drive go up a Walter and link him up, make him know the fullness. Boom, we start link now. We have led you. Mr. Pang, Tuffy there with we. We have an ex-catty with Brownway. At the 14th parish, we start take on. Because we have a driver. A little brother, him not left with nowhere at all. I'll know up to today, I plan say, him don't even know what I'm doing in my career. I want to pay him down to the ground where he walk on. Seeing? So, 14th parish all about and rare. Boom! You know me and my voice. My voice single, my voice single, my voice
Right.
combi, my voice combi.
Cause a couple of the early combination was What Is God with their English.
What is
Real
God?
up and go on.
Kings of Kings record now. That I scatter them before, scatter them. What have you, you know?
Okay.
Walton Park, that's up at the big upstairs. Kings of Kings
Upper
record with them time I see that typewriting shit.
Upper Celestial there.
Celestial Studio. So she love when we go, Cecile them always round me and them love the vibes and she had to say, yeah man, and say alright, sure, you know so this thing here work. Boom! Vice couple tune for Cube and Cube rhythm them. Take on the radio, a bubble and a go on good. Here comes White Eye Jesus, sorry my name. Lenky.
Lenky. Oh,
Yeah.
alright. So before we get rid of Lenky then, Zane?
Yeah.
So some of the tune you also did a song with Skelewa. Girl of Your Heart.
Yeah, that a Q.
A Q tune that too.
Yeah, all of them thing, they a Q thing.
Oh, a getaway driver for Q too.
Q. You see
And
me
then
I say?
eventually voice Tia Moore.
Tia Moore now off with True Blue.
True Blue. Okay.
Yeah, Tia Moore, me advice her because I about the, let me see how much time that no advice Tia Moore. That would be about the third or the second time now my voice stay more, you know.
Okay.
Yeah,
But that one they take on.
yeah. Seeing? That one you come runway, the True Blue have. Advice it for 9 Life Records of Canada. You see me? But
Yes.
this now, with White Eye Jesus, the English they we take on a rare thing. And them say I wasn't me really the tune right for, or what have you, but
So it wasn't you supposed to collab with Danny? on the
no,
tune?
it looked like it wasn't nothing like that.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Seeing, but true with the the crew, if you write a song and it's not good for you,
Somebody
you
else
give me
can hold it.
If we write something in the rare, the vice and rare,
Makes
so
sense,
we
makes
share
sense.
it around one another and find out who I go lock it. So it's like them I say, English I say to them, say, you know, say nobody can lock it like Eggnog. One piece of thing when me go for go vice the song, one piece of argument and some form of thing when me go for go vice the song and like you, I look at me and I say, Eggnog, don't even answer nobody or say nothing, you know. You say, oh, you sing the song as how you make me hear it, and somehow you sing it on the rhythm. Just go around there.
Great Dual rhythm.
And the Duali
2002.
drop. Yeah. So, Duali drop and I go on good. They are going good. I don't know where this bad mind, this red eye
Before we come,
them something they come in.
before we reach us a while.
Yeah.
So 02 you know, was the year when Eggnog introduced himself to the world really. Yeah, and Danny.
No, me get Sting before O2.
Yeah man, but that
O2.
song there,
Yeah.
you understand?
O2 for true.
O2.
O2.
Because that song even went into the Billboard charts.
Yeah, Billboard it go.
Yeah,
Number
man.
one it going on. A number one the song going on. The song to the way how we come and I go good. The song drive crazy difference in other people and other artists.
Yeah.
The chart was going fine. We're supposed to go number one like today Saturday. They mash up the chart from last week. Saturday. So when we were at number second, we don't get for ears so the song go number one this Saturday because the chart mash up from last week Saturday because we were going so good. Seeing? Crazy other differences. Miss Lou come here. We're supposed to perform for Miss Lou. Profanity involved. We get banned off a radio through that.
Yeah?
Yeah, not by my behalf. Certain profanity and
So
enough things.
Danny used profanity in the performance.
Yeah. So we get banned off a radio at the time. We get a ear ban, you know. That's
1 year?
1 ear ban that set me back, you know how that set me back. So all the songs that me and him do, pertaining with my song too. Now play the mix, they take them off it. All of the interview and enough thing where you see like you would have come for take, we not see them people that come round me because profanity and we get banned.
Even with one of the artists singing in our business at the time.
Yeah, but they couldn't stop Party. Party was just a traveler go west, so cause them try, you know. They try hard, they try their best to deal with Party. But you see God, him great on my side. So Party, go, no care what them do. Profanity and Rarian and man, I say, God no, Father God, look how me I suffer for the bad. Boom, we get show again. Cue the book us for show and stuff like that. Now, me da stay in my lane because I never really bust in the 80s and 90s. But I did there on the man them. So I don't get the break until, so I no need for follow up 80s and 90s artists. Because 2000 me bust in. I'm not afraid to talk or put my mouth on the ground. And I'm not going to tell no man about me a 90s or me a 80s artist. I was in the something all of them time, the good nice thing and time, yes. I work very good show to all of those time and things. But when I bust, 2000. See, so I have to keep my thing at 2000. So places me go, crazy the artists them carry me out. From Barky to Kochi, from what have you, all of them time that when we get the song. Enough places man, island me go, but I just for the love of it, teach them. We never really that go about no money. But a man we still say boy, hold this and say I look at shoes here or something. You see me? Because I did that do it for the love. I never wasn't no money, but it's when the money go pop in now. Tune runway. My friend I say him now do nothing with me. He start talk about things. I know if I set him so set me and him so for mash me up, you know. Teach them, believe you me, you know, because me and him I go good. He wasn't a person like that, you know. The less argument is a man they even cuss. Me frightened. Every minute, some argument. You see me? And who would come round and come on the rhythm and their own way. They start, what have you, and some other difference. So, me I notice my powers are go away. Me sick. Me start drop down. Me come off all the plane. Me faint and roll off of the wall of the step. Them come down, teach them to the way how the people them do me in the music. And them say, that boy, who is Eggnog? Eggnog come round and come off tune and Ray, and how I think this.
So it was in that time that you were arrested on suspicion of...
Yeah, when me wake up, me come see myself
after
in a
you
public.
fainted?
After me faint and wake up, public, me come see myself handcuffed. Them I say them I check if me I carry coke. I coke me if me I carry coke.
That's
come
why you
from
faint?
foreign. So them good all feel like say something busting on me, so I go that's why me faint. So when me da carry a music me I do, but the type of something where come down on me, you go look for any form of thing can happen, brethren. Because the music thing kind of did tilt. You see me? Enough time I even go up on a show, I go up and I see them even take my book and I say, hey boy, you in America, you work? I say, look in my book. Anytime I go America, permit I fit in my book when you see me I fly. I don't go America unless me have permit. Because me sing. See? So, crazy difference go and teach them with the thing, brethren. And it start going down. We get show if we do. Him alone take the show and gone. When the people them say, the manager say him want 300, him take 150, him alone gone by himself. Him a tell the people them no, him don't have nothing to do with me and I'm here do the hit song. When the thing for a bill, him have some people around him and tell him pay a crap and I draw him down and I draw me down with him. Say him nah do back no song with me before him do song, him go do push cash program work. I say the youth here, God no, you know say something them do to him around the music, them do with things around this music here. Cause him wasn't like that. And up till today the other way English say and do, teach them I never yet even have him up or certain things. But me a man, me have to talk. Seeing? I mean, I'm gonna make no boy or no girl come hold or say certain things or what have you. Know I'm gonna talk, teach, cause man me name. But what? Me forgive him for all of them things there because me know say I no pan for him behalf, him I do enough things. Me know that. You see him? We get a lick in it, brethren. We get a lick and him go sign out himself up a Christian.
VP.
When me and him up a VP, when me I look on him and I say, I don't know if I that him start cuss or because when me come back, me I tell Q them say Q, him sign to VP, you know. And that you send we got do in a Q. Remember a picture you send we got take, you know. How much for plain fear if we go America if we take picture when a man could have just take with picture and send it or send it to him phone or so. And when we go up there, you go sign yourself to VP and I tell me now say, and my song, a performance rights alone me can get. So you forfeit yourself and you forfeit me and you forfeit the work and you forfeit what we are do. So everything going back down the drain and down the line. And him pick me them tell him, if you don't do a song with Eggnog, you're not gonna hit again English. And he try all manner of evil around the world. Him try with, see right now me hear somebody that tell me say meet me at the party, do over. And I know me them hear a sing in it. So he have him thing pencil out for do. Pan film behalf teach them when me not me. You understand what I say? And me still not have nothing fit against him. Can't do what I want to because every man of them one man.
But your English and link up back in about 2018 at work on a collab album.
Me and him good up to today, but I'm just showing you what's going on, teach. Me and him good up to today, but I'm just showing you. I don't know if I things them do him. I don't know.
So what is the status of that album?
Which
where
one?
you guys were working? Me read something somewhere say in 2018 when you did a plan for work on a collab album, man. No?
Yeah.
There was no truth to that?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course.
So what the status of that? That not finished?
No, it don't finish. Why it don't finish? Still, I've got you processing with VP, them forget certain things. You understand me? Because you don't sign and enough producer don't want vice with because certain things where him do. And the loyalty in a music from you do one producer, any little thing. All of the producer them, you know watch all of they come. When Jimmy Cliff take him tune about him, I say him I go run, say him I go produce. Him have to care about the record come give the man will do it. Because you cannot do it by yourself, man. You, them man, they have a man when them say, yo, you see them two brother there? Give them a little run still, you know, but not give them too much. Or don't give them none at all. And that's something them go run up in there with him.
Alright, what you pray now? Party time, big tune, big rhythm, big producer. Billboard.
Billboard.
Give me piece of your part out of that tune.
Parties going all night long. Just meet me at the party, sing on. You can bring shorty. Cause we be rolling in the hardy, yes, because our party's going all night. Party's going on over next door. And I've got to go. And then me sing, well, my party people in the house, are you ready for this? Girl, shake your body, cause you're ready for this. Well, just move that booty, cause you're ready for this. Boom, bam, bam.
Big tune.
You can meet me at the party. Big song, and when me and him a work, English a ace himself for work the song. If it got start, must say boom. Girl, if your man a give you a bun. Party supposed to sing until the people them say, yo, we're good now, you know. And them never tell we say them good because what them love it. We now race out party, and party supposed to be my last song when I go up on stage.
Yeah.
Yeah, me not supposed to run on stage and just go draw a party, so I'm supposed to sing a couple of that song before. I mean the people them know, so I don't know say me. Yeah.
Another tune that got some love in the street is Getaway Driver.
Oh, shot them now out, Getaway Driver.
Yeah.
That I go hard before party.
Yeah, me know, man. Me know.
But I underground. And even when me get up and I have good sense and I say then, like now you really do shot them in the mouth. What kind of song this you do? Even me myself I say.
Oh, you want to reflect on it,
Yeah,
you're not happy with it? Oh, okay.
Because I remember say at the time, me a youth, you know. Seeing, but me there around the business and I'm gonna say, yo, cause it wasn't shot them in the mouth, you know, it was girl I feel hot, and them I feel fat, them face I get broke, me a shot boy in them mouth, them teeth jump out, them bone get out. So, me's a man who can flip things. So, as you quint, me flip the thing them. So, at that now, a man, Rowan Iris say, eggnog, you have girl I feel hot. Me not see no man a come for no tune from you in a dub, you know. You know, I'll get no dub for that, you know.
Oh, so you have to flip
you
it.
have to have a song where when you do it. But Tia Moore, when we be able to win and the whole of them man there, all right, all them time there, you know, Tia Moore, you know, I make me get my name, you know. And when me I do Tia Moore, on the end of every man dub.
Okay, so it a road
me get to
same
know.
way.
So when the man them finally, when the tune are done and I hear, Tia Moore got no my lovers. Like the man must say, no sir, the man you have to go start me dub them, you know. They don't get so too bad. This is too nice to be if you don't get so at the end. When you make the man start the dub, I so come and the man say, yo, do it by yourself now, eggnog. And I start do it and them thing there with just remember every. Sorry for all the pain. Cause me there around the whole of the thing them and I know. And I just start use up something. Teach them. I just like them brethren.
Yes.
I be loved by the whole of the man them, by Shabba, Buju, the whole of the man them, as low as the artist and as high as them is. Every man love me, I love every one of the man them and respect them same way.
You get some beat in that thing you look like, brother.
Yeah man, them flag me hard man. I get a couple beating well man, I revive. But remember when I come over, come around a sound wave and there's somebody that sit down, you know. A culture tea, have to come and say, eggnog, get up and come up here so with the artists them there. Me left out, they all sell CD and all clothes over the market. And Buju, when Buju come from foreign, from prison, Buju send the man them come call me and say, hey boy, where you do? Buju send man come tell me, say, give me style. And love that because you're too big for them, so I sell it. I have to give them my style and my CD them and my all clothes them I have. And I come back and Soundwave come sit down and see me now. I bite up my tongue regular time. Enough time them talk about me I drink all rum. How can a sick man them time they drink rum? My woman left me through that. Dion left me. When me I left from up our yard and I pull it alone, me have a draw go down on my yard. Rain a fall, rain a dew. To the way them deal with me, my youth. And no woman not go on there around a man where look like him I got dead tomorrow. So me not wrong nobody for do what them I do. Cause me I got take away myself to or do something for better myself, you know. Yeah, man.
What kind of sickness were you fighting, if you can say?
Yeah, remember say a siege, them give me siege.
Oh, from them time
yeah,
there?
from them time, them I drop down. But crazy difference from, you see from get party teach, you see from party it, there comes the sick. So that's why me even I wonder, say, I wonder if them do with things. Me and English mouth never meet him, never cuss me and him never do nothing now. Since party it, there goes me and him. War till God come all now. Because what them youth are not supposed to. Because we come go around crazy at the man them, you know. We come go around crazy at the 90s and the 80s artists them, you know. See him? And come go billboard. Me not say man have a whole heap of song more than me, but enough of them not gonna be Leisha board. And Belisha daughter look for me right now. That a Bill daughter. I want to go back there again. But my party, when me a party, the man now focus. I know me can't take him back there. You see him? And yo, but you know, if him a itch, you know, I'm gonna take myself. In you, him a itch, I'm gonna take myself this trip. I'm start already. Teach them I love and respect me. They do not the music. I never deal with me. Me not there talk to you. Me's a boy, me all seaside. When me gone a seaside, me catch all my old Joe and them thing. Ask stuff for the man them. Me not make nothing matter me in this world, brethren. Nothing. Barefoot, cut off foot pants, and come and assault when me grew up in. But true, me come up as an artist now, I know say, yo, you have to represent yourself. You can't look like a little old boo in the road. So get something together, you.
So culture and Buju played an important role in kind of getting you back to where you are now.
Yeah, Buju, say boy, love that, you know. Give her that, you know. When I come in and I come sit down there, so like a $1, you know, Alice son. Now $1, and like a man pass me and see me. We out, because I can't remember that day there, you know, brethren. And the man say, culture tea, say, eggnog. Big artist, you know, my youth. Get up from here somewhere there and come up here somewhere the artists them there. I make the man feel like say them more on you, you know. And from that day there, give praises to the Most High, you know. Teach them.
So dub plates are part of the survival then?
I know say all of them time when me sick, I remember
You still have ice dubs?
yeah, cause I remember I'm sure I'm Getaway Driver had done underground song already, you know. So no care what, me still have to, you see me, no care how small it is or what. Me not hungry, cause me can't eat the song, you know.
So you go sing it?
When you play away. Can't eat the song, brethren, so I have to go sing that and make money. So, and me sing whole heap of free song forget
back in name out there.
Yeah. Give me the sing, brethren. And right now, you check the YouTube and the thing them. You have more than 8 songs released now, you know, for me, you know, on YouTube.
People them out there who want to get in touch with you. The sound man them for dub plate and the promoter them for bookings, cause that's what the thing work. How them find you?
Ready back, man. Teach them at the same 8569596. And a sound wave me there.
Run the number again?
8569596.
And you're the sound wave in a crossroad.
Sound wave there in a crossroad.
One of the later songs when we can pinpoint was Fool's Heart.
Fool's Heart.
I think you were playing that earlier.
Win-win production.
Win-win.
Yeah. Fool's Heart. Because that song they know, why I say Fool's Heart, you know? Remember them put me down and said nothing now come out of me, you know. And nothing now go on for me, you know. So me I say, oh, them boy you not believe in the Almighty. Them not believe in a God. So I go show them say I believe in a God. Fool will say in their heart, no God. See me here, I come represent and show them say me there back. I represent me firm and fit you know. You see me? And I like when time when I lick me way. So a God me I deal with. All I want to obey and science I deal with. A God me stand up with. You see me? Into the valley of the shadow and of the shadow of death. And all the bones them of the cemeteries. Me no fear no evil, so no evil out a road no see say none of them. They couldn't dwell with me, cause thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, you know they surely comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. That's why I say them can't take we teach them.
Vice still big, bro.
Can't take we brethren.
Vice still big.
Give praises.
You mentioned
Tita
too earlier. Hold on, man. But you did upon the dirty money rhythm. Your voice at officially.
I'm going to voice it over back, you know, because man send Carderoy rhythm now. Say, he would love it from them time there. But the rhythm we cued advice me upon with it. him not like the rhythm. The man send Cardi from about day before yesterday.
Okay.
And him say I'm gonna send money for me go book time for Vice it. Da 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 dee da 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 da. Hey God, you're great.
Run it, man.
Da 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 dee da da da. Sing da da dee da da dum, da da dee da da dum, sing da da dee da 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 dum. This girl bade and come over, and she never dial my number. Patsy, Dawn, and Sue, what they wanna do, they wanna be my lover. A beautiful pleasure, teach them of girls at our leisure.
Long time.
It wasn't 5 seconds, nor 10 minutes, me I walk way past an hour.
Straight.
Da da dee da 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 da. You know, all right, see it? Cartel even come say Stadder, my brother from another mother.
Yeah.
See, and so, me in on the thing, brethren. Me in on the thing. See, Chuck Fender come take me Stadder too. Remember me come say Stadder around here, and the man them feel like a them, you know, and me, you know. She fisted, man. She feel the thing hard like the fisted. She rub and ball said that for my womb have been shifted. She said I'm a God gifted.
The man look like he there for that look of energy, that look of vibration. I was be glad for that, brother.
Yo, cool, no, man. I'm not telling them it beat me out what they have to teach them, man. Give praises to the Most High, man. I have to watch me gain back still.
Yeah, man, take your time and build the thing, man.
Yeah, man.
What I would love to see, though, is for the day to come when you and Danny, you understand, can reach back on that level there where you can go in at the studio, go match up some rhythm.
Me and him voice even what they know about that level there. Cause him normally, where him they still know, me, to the way, like how you hear Killer off you say, them look a comic there, where you see I go around and I go on, you know. Me have to do there, hold it up in a eggnog. I have to keep Jamaican flag, cause them not going away. You just have to step out what they are, sing eggnog. I say, Lord God, Rodney, just go and do what you do, because you're there in the line with them, and you know what's going on. See, so when you tell me, say you have to hold the flag, because them little artists here where I come up, there's something there where we hear and I do with them now. So
Yeah.
I think that's the way we have to do, brethren.
Well, yeah, from the Successor Party, you went quite a few places to perform. You have been out there. Where are some of the places that you went to work?
Remember we go Miami Sting, you know. Yeah. We go New York. Well, hot place up in New York name again. I forgot how the son name. About 2 times I go up there.
You've been places like Canada.
I go Canada. Yeah, I go Antigua, I go couple places as well. They remember some of them. But I know I go Antigua, I go. Never get to go to Japan with them. They're New York, they're Canada, they're Miami, we go England. See? So crazy little places teach them in them time there.
And the man I put you in a work with the intention to go some other places.
Yeah, man. We need them song, you know, what me I do. I forgot do them work.
And as I said that, so the songs can be found on the digital play stores, the Spotify, the Apple Music, them places.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. YouTube them alone not working, brother. I mean, know some man just YouTube. You put song on YouTube, it think bigger than that. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
And are you benefiting financially from Party Time and some of the other songs that you did earlier, as in publishing and royalty?
No, teach them. I'm still out of road because the crew and the link when we did have where if we do all of those things crash. You understand me? Because we loyal to this thing if we make this thing happen. That means that things gonna happen back for us. It crash. Even up to today, I still look back somebody come I put up back and put out my song them on my own. I could have even Jerusalem God come from. Where them say, me I put out back my song if I need even voice it for. Because I saw me I gonna make my money.
Yes.
Yeah.
And after the song them man and push them on road, brother man.
Yeah, man. I deal with it, man. I just one of them days still, virgin.
Yeah. So you are doing better health-wise too?
Yeah, man. Good health-wise, man. Give God for praises again, man. You see me?
I'm glad to hear that, bro.
Yeah, man. A good one now, me no drop down. Not dummy.
More that not happen again.
It will never happen again.
Man, more that not
because you know now, me go through this thing here and go, what have you I see the fullness now, so you can't conquer me, man.
And take care of the voice, brother. You understand what I say?
The voice I take care of me, you
The
know.
voice will take care of you. You have to take care right too, man.
Yeah, man, I have to think them down there where me tip up, man. I have to think them where me garlic them down and me onion and me lime them down. And me have couple things where I make them black like altar, you know, if you look on them. Just tip all two of them there.
I'm gone.
I'm good. Yeah, man.
Father Thomas, go on do the work, and as I say,
Same to you, teach.
I know say you and Danny up on a level still, but I hope the thing can go back to that level
I'll
there
take
where,
him back to
where the
it
vibes
I'll
is
take it
just
back-
right
I'll
and the
take
thing
him back
flow
to where it is,
naturally.
man. Be what they want to be and see what they want to see again. Remember I said the song just do, you know, fool's art, you know.
Who's that?
Yeah, be what to be again and see what to see again. Many are born for greatness and many are born with fault. Many are bound to be forgotten like they have never exist at all. But they all came to know I and them even scandal my name. Can't believe some of them still really want to see me find the key again and be what to be again. I want to teach them, man.
Give thanks, bro. Just
Man.
go and do the thing. And stay healthy, brother.
Same to the man, them and my fans them out there. And eggnog, you know, aka Golden Egg, same way. Best day ever. I'm a family, them want to big up on yourself. When I know I watch teach them. Eggnog, say so.
Mad thing.
Merciless, gone but not forgotten. When merciless forward a town at 10, 11, 12, and 13. This semester with fiend comes alive. I eggnog this answer with a question or anything, you know. I can see more clearly. I can see clearly. Chupa drop that. The world and say glory down. I eggnog. I see a clock up on the wall. And it don't bother me anymore. Forever tempting time. I see a clock up on the wall. And it don't bother me anymore. Oh, so listen. And sing for days. Forever changing time. Can you see the way things going faster? It seems like I'm watching my life in everything I do. West Malone, wondering if the vision Chupa believing will come true. I'm calling between, it will come back to you and me running out of time. Gotta find me a better understanding. Everything you forgetting what's mine. Gotta find me a way less demanding. Ain't clock is dead, I'm holding on so tight forever. All of it. I don't got to the level, Chupa. Clap, listen. I'm sitting by the open stage show place in my favorite wallaby. When I hear some songs of memories, sounds so good to me. As I get up and take a look around, sugar deep, he got in the way. Stopping and falling was running the flow. We couldn't see merciless face. How could this be? DJ gone away from we. The DJ just gone and leave us all alone. We really miss you. I hear it right now. We really miss you. Yeah, you're enough. Sitting on an open dance floor in my favorite wallaby. When I hear some songs of memories, sounds so good to me. Chupa, as I get up and take a look around, feet got in the way. Merciless fall and track, fall on the floor. We couldn't see the DJ face. How could this be me? Merciless got no